So hello class, welcome back to channel. So today it is the last part of chapter number 2, Principles of Management. Here we've practiced some keyway cues as there are some short answer and long answer questions. So let's start. Specialist state the role of Bambos in functional formation. Canvas जो है वो आपका प्रोडक्शन चार्ज के अंदर आता है और फंक्शन फॉर्मेशन इज वन ऑफ द technique of scientific management. So be the member of it. So Ganbot has to ensure that all the required material are available for the worker to start the work, and he has to report the production in charge as per function of formation. This is what you have to remember about what this mean by management principles. Management principles are the general guidelines of broad manager decision making and behavior. Here, you are कोई guideline provide करते हैं. They do not serve as the direct option, but they can be modified as depending with the situation. Okay, so next thing we are at is what is question number 3 is say the techniques of scientific management with a strong motivator for worker to reach standard performance. So इसका आंसर डिफरेंशियल की स्विच सिस्टम की यहाँ पर तकनीक की अगर बात की गई है तकनीक की साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट की तो डिफरेंशियल पीछे सिस्टम मैंने बताया था मोटिवेशन का एक ही ऐसा मात्र सोर्स है जो हाईली मोटिवेट करता है लोग एम्प्लॉयज़ को टू इम्प्रूव देयर परफॉर्मेंस. इसमें एम्प्लॉयज़ को दो कैटेगरीज में डिस्टेंशिएट कर रहे हैं एफिशिएंट एंड लेस एफिशिएंट. एफिशिएंट वालों को ज़्यादा पे करके और लेस एफिशिएंट वालों को थोड़ा कम पे करके उनके लिए एक मोटिवेशन बन जाती है जिससे वो प्रोडक्शन एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज करने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का अगर मैं बात करूँ तो स्टेट द रोल ऑफ ग्रुप क्लर्क इन फंक्शनल फोरमैनशिप. इट इज आस्क्ड आल्सो इन CBSE Group 2016 function formation technique of and a tailor and group clerk works under planning in charge की specified route of production. अगर हमारे पास एक काम को अप्रोच करने के 3-4 वे हैं ABC तो इस काम को किस अप्रोच से करना है that will specify by route clerk. वो route clerk specify करेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्या कहता है? Question number 5 कहता है that factory owners and managers relied on personal judgments in attending to the problems they confronted in course of managing their work. Which principle of Taylor it is referring to? तो यहाँ पे अगर बोला है कि मैनेजर्स अपनी पर्सनल जजमेंट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो अगर हम प्रिंसिपल ऑफ टेलर देखें so we have 4 principles, 4 signs, not rule of thumb, second harmony, not discord, third cooperation, not individualism, and fourth we have development of each and every person to his or her greatest sufficiency. तो अगर हम देखें तो ये harmony, not discord, does not talk about anything about personal judgment, cooperation, not individualism too, and development नहीं. The only principle that is left that is दो साइंस ऑफ रूल ऑफ थंब जिसमें जो मैनेजर्स होता है वो अपने बेस को इस्तेमाल करता है डिफरेंट बेस को इस्तेमाल करता है हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड को इस्तेमाल करते हैं और उसके थ्रू वो काम को कंप्लीट करते हैं. लेकिन as per Taylor there is only one best method to do the job so that should be replaced by rule of thumb. Then we have sixth question, that is what do you mean by mental revolution? And यहाँ को ये बताया था second principle of Taylor, the harmony not discordment. Our mental revolution is a revolutionary change in attitude of both the worker and manager. They should change their attitude towards each other as they both are well needed and important in an organization. Now, CBSE 2016 question, name the organizational structure helps in increasing manager and operational efficiency. Then that is functional structure helps in increasing managerial and operational efficiency. As if we talk about it, that it is not a part of this chapter, it is a part of organizing but can be asked in this chapter also. Question number 8. A company manufacturing motorcycles and cars could have separate division for both head by separate divisional managers, separate plans and resource. Identify the principle with the help of the example. Answer is UAD, that is unity of direction. Why it is that? Because there is a reason behind it. Unity is that every department must work towards the same objective. यहाँ पे वही हो रहा है manufacturing motorcycle and cars. Everyone are doing separate functions but are moving towards the same objective. Question number 9 is directions of XYZ Limited. An organization can manufacture computer want to double the sales and has given the responsibility to the sales manager. The sales manager has no authority either to increase sale expense and appoint new sales. And here it could be accused target. Identify the principle violated in this situation. So इसमें directly पता चल रहा है जो आपका मैनेजर है, सेल्स मैनेजर, उसके पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ज़्यादा लेकिन अथॉरिटी उसके पास इतनी सी भी नहीं है उस काम को करने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आपको पता चल रहा है the principle that is highlighted or violated is the authority and responsibility principle of all. Then we have second 10th question, that is who suggested the concept of functional foremanship. Functional foremanship was a technique of scientific management, and the father of scientific management is Taylor. Taylor is the father of scientific management. Then you have 11th question, that is subordinate. Receive orders from more than one boss. And which principle is violated? That is unity of command, and it is very important principle as per Fuel that if this principle is violated, then discipline is induced by the authority we undermine. Order disturbed. Hina and Nitish are typists in the company having same education qualification. Hina is getting rupees 3,000 per month, but Hitesh is getting 4,000 per month at a salary for the same work, which principle of management is violated in the case. Name the principle and accident. If now we do not know whether it is the principle of Taylor and Witt or whether it is the principle of Fowle. So what we will do is try each and every principle of both. Here, अगर मैं देखो टेलर के 4 प्रिंसिपल है, उनमें से कोई भी ऐसा प्रिंसिपल नहीं है जो बात कर रहा हो इनके बारे में. बच्चे इसका आंसर लिखा था टेलर का प्रिंसिपल, वो भी डिफरेंशियल टीचर सिस्टम. यहाँ पे क्या मोटिवेशन की बात हो रही है? मोटिवेशन की बात नहीं होगी तो यहाँ पे टेलर का कोई भी प्रिंसिपल नहीं आएगा. फिर और में सिर्फ एक ही प्रिंसिपल है जहाँ पे सेम क्वालिफिकेशन, सेम बैकग्राउंड, सब सेम है. और अगर डिफरेंशिएशन हो रहा है, यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इक्विटी की बात करी जा रही है. That is the principle that is being violated here. So answer is equity. What they mean by flexibility or principle of management? Flexibility is one of the characteristic or feature of principle of management. That principle of management are not rigid. They are to be verified by the manager as the situation demands. अब ये डिपेंड of the PYQ of board. Explain why it is said that principle mainly behavior है, contingent है, and principle उसमें importance से पूछा है इन दोनों चीज़ों की. तो अगर मैं मेनली बिहेवियर बताऊँ आपको, तो मेनली बिहेवियर वो इसलिए है क्योंकि इन जो मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल है वो लिजिट तो नहीं है कि अगर ये प्रिंसिपल है तो यही अप्लाई होता है. हैव टू बी मॉडिफाइड एज पर द सिचुएशन डिमांड. दे एप्लीकेबली वेरी एज पर ह्यूमन नेचर. ह्यूमन के बिहेवियर पे डिपेंड है कि वो उसको कैसे एप्लीकेबल करता है. सेकेंड इज कंटेंजेंट. कंटेंजेंट में आपको क्या लिखना है? द एप्लीकेबिलिटी डिपेंड्स अपॉन द प्रिवेलिंग सिचुएशन. कि हमें कौन से प्रिंसिपल को कब एप्लीकेबल करना है, that depends upon the situation and also depend upon the particular point of time that has to be changed as per situation. Next we have form by practice and experimentation. Principle of management are developed through observe or not through observation. It is developed through personal experiences and experimentation. These are the principal guide the manager to face the real world problems. Then fourth is cause and effect relationship. इसमें आप क्या लिखोगे? Decision regarding management should be taken carefully. There should be reasons and fact as management will develop real life problem solution of logic and reason. Coming to next question, explain the principles of scientific management. Here you will understand each and every principle. So this is one more chance for you on to devise this concept. Time first principle is science, not rule of thumb. As per Taylor, the workers in an organization use hit and trial method to do the job. But as per Taylor, there is only one best method to do the job that should be replaced by rule of thumb. That is what science or rule of thumb says. Harmony not described or not, but on in an organization there are two people, one manager and worker. Both have to should maintain harmony among them. They should change their mindset out each other as they are well needed and important in organization as they're considered as a pillar. If they if any of them left over the job, then people ultimately will collapse. That's what happened needed as a pillar. Corporation or individualism is an extension of harmony, not discord. It says that between the manager and the worker, the word that is competition should be replaced with corporation, and an organization cannot succeed with individualism. With it succeed with group. The fourth point we have that is development of each and every person to his or her greatest efficiency and prosperity. That means an employee which is scientifically selected or employed in an organization should get proper training and should be applied to the job or of the work in which he has specialization in. अगर उसको वो कम दे दिया जाएगा जिसमें फिर स्पेशलाइजेशन ही नहीं है, then how he could be doing the work? That's why he has to be employed in the work in which he has specialization in.